Hey Jack, where's your toes? Where's your toes? Are those your toes? Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Is that a horse? Is that a horse?
Dada.
That's not Dada, that's a horse. Do you see his ears? Where's the ears? Yeah. Do you see the horse's hair? Where's the horse's hair? That's Jackie's hair.
Dada.
Dada? You want to get on your horsey? How about his eyes? Do you see the horse's eyes? Where's the horse's eyes? You're gonna come get Mama's eyes? Oh, you got Mama's eyes. You got Mama's eyes. Very good.
Dada.
Do you see the horse's nose? Where's the horse's nose? Those are ears. Do you see the horse's nose? Dada.
Dada.
You want to get on the horse? Here, let's pull it out this way. Pull it out. Okay, up, up, up. Yay! You're on the horsey. Can you rock, rock? Rock. Yeah. Do you see the horse's ears? Yeah, those are horse's ears. Very good. All done? Okay. You want to rock some more? Rock, 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 rock. Rock, rock, rock. Yay! All done? You want to get off? You want to get off? Can you show me your belly? Where's your belly? I'm going to get it. There's your belly. That's right. I'm going to get it. There's your belly. Can you say mama? Mama. Mama? Not so much.